and also everyone. So as for today, I'm the representative of Group 2. We'll present to you our business presentation. Okay, so next, pass to.
So now I will share a bit about our company's background. Coronavirus has impacted the whole world in defending individuals' health. The demand of hand sanitizer has been increased due to this pandemic, which also gives us opportunity for safe, convenient, and attractive hand sanitizer, which proposed by our company, which is Skintect company, that will produce Skintect capsules. The designs are stylish and the material used are biodegradable. And our products later will be explained more with my team member. Next. So this is our company name, Skintect, which is we would like to choose this Skintect because our hand sanitizer are able to kill germs present on skin and also contain a moisturizer to minimize skin dryness and irritation. Okay, next I will pass to Farah.
Next, I will present to you about our company logo. Sorry, slide before. Okay. So, as you guys see, Skintech refers to our company's name, and hand illustration symbolize the most exposed human's body part that should be sanitized, and flower winding symbolize the presence of nature touch in our Skintech capsule. And break the germ cycle is our company's tagline, refers to by using our product will keep us safe and sanitized. Next, I will continue to present about our management team. So first we have CEO, which is SHARIFAH FATIMAH, and for our deputy CEO is SHAHHIL Danial, and research and development manager is NURINATASYA. For marketing manager 1 is QIAN, and for marketing manager 2 is, next slide, DEANDRA ALMAIRA. And for human resource manager is NURUL FAIZAH. And for financial manager is me, FARAH IZZAH. And lastly, we have operational and processing management manager is NOOR IZATIE.
Okay, so next is for the product detail. Okay, our company proposed a capsule hand sanitizer, which then are placed in a very tiny pocket-sized clear bottle. And for the packaging, you can see on the design, there's a hint of capsule shape. The round one, and then our brand name on the center, which is Skintect, and as well as our product name, which is Skintect Capsule. So on the design of the packaging, there's usage of different shades of the color to evoke a calm perception and soothing effect, and all of these elements are used in order to inculcate our people as well to always use hand sanitizer. And the concept is like mainly like sharing chewing gum with your friends. That's how we're aiming the capsule sanitizer to be. And yeah, the inside the bottle, the sanitizer came into a capsule size, which is just a tiny, and when you and inside the capsule actually there's like a gel sanitizer which when you use it, it's with the optimum amount for usage. Okay, that's for the company's product. Okay, and next. Okay, so for the lean business model canvas BMC. Okay, start from the customer segment. So our mass market based customers are mostly um, covers children and young adolescents 6 to 15 years. Also the working age population 15 to 64 years, and the elderly population 65 years. So mainly it covers quite wide for the generation. Okay, and then for the problem, the main issue um, for our product is mainly because of the current issue, which is the rising of COVID-19, and since the hand sanitizer market are start to go high in demand. So we would like to take this opportunity to boost up or take advantage from this issue. Okay, so our solution is producing sanitizer in small and definite amount of per container, and to produce sanitizer in capsule form. Okay, next is the key metric. The product can actually attract a wide range of consumers since it is like a new invention. I think there's no existing capsule sanitizer today, and the price is quite reasonable and affordable, and the design of the product is attractive and consumer friendly. Okay, so next is the unfair advantage. As what I mentioned before, the capsule is affordable, and the design of the capsule is more practical compared to the not the traditional sanitizer we have now. So it is easy to get to because later my friend will present where we where we channel our product. Okay, so the rest I'll pass to other people.
Okay, now I would like to present the business model canvas. So this is just an overview for BMC. After that, me and our members will explain one by one. So for the first one, the customer segment. So the customer segmentation involves grouping customers into specific marketing groups, perhaps like narrowing them down by gender, interests, buying habits, or demographic. So actually our products are friendly used to public. So our aim target is mass market-based customers, which means that we are focused on a large group of customers without really distinguishing between different types of customers, and aims to satisfy a set of broadly similar needs and problems. So actually now is COVID-19, so I think the public, most of the people need the sanitizers, so we are target like all the publics without differentiate into segmentation. So next is value proposition. So as compared to other hand sanitizer, our product is small and portable. Our customers no need to carry a big bottle of sanitizers here and there. And since our product is hand sanitizer, so of course our main value is to sanitize our hand. And lastly, it is cheaper and affordable for low salary family and students. So next is marketing channels. So actually we are divided into two methods for selling. One is direct selling and another one is indirect selling. So for direct selling, we're using internet marketing method, which we will sell our products through website and social media directly to the customers. So it only involves manufacturer and consumers. And we will advertise our product through the social medias like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. So next, for indirect selling is for the retailer, which means that we will put or sell our product on the shop like QIAN Pharmacy, Watson, and Guardian. So next is customer relationship. So customer relationship is focused on the proactive steps we are taking to engage customers and improve the customer experience. So we will using the 5-star rating system to collect the customer feedback. I think for this rating system is more focused on our official website. And from the feedback, we can improve for a better product. So we also will give some special offers during special events like Malaysia Day or National Day to keep our customers. So next, I will pass it to my members.
So I will present to you about the 3 main key of BMC. First is the key partner. So as we started this company, we started to see that we want to have different types of partnerships. First is for the buyer and supplier partnerships. So we want to have our where is our reliable source to produce and manufacture our products. This is the few of company that will provide our raw materials, labeling and printing is from Sonafax, SD and BHD, and then for the provider for our custom-made container is a plastic-made SD and BHD, and for the provider, the soft gel and capsule is FATIMAH. And for the support our indirect selling, which is the major retailer in most of malls or stores, such as Watson, Guardian, QIAN, and Bath and Body Works, to increase their sales and profits. Next. So for the key activities, we want to support for the marketing. It's for controlling our manufacturer, and for the place is very strategic to the city and price affordable for students, so everyone can buy our product. And for design, from our design, we want to use something that most of people like and prefer, which is the trends these days. And for the operation, we want to maintain a good service delivery for everyone. So there will be a contact person in every sites for everyone to reach out for us. And the next one is key resources. So key resources, we are very concentrate in human resources. For example, the staff, the engineers, the making of our products, physical resources, as I mentioned before, the one who we get our raw materials, and then our for the containers and everything. And third one is the intellectual resources about
5 more minutes.
and customers, databases. And for the financial resources, of course, we want to have a good relationship with banks to provide finances for our vendors. And the next one will be with our members. Next slide.
Okay, next is about the cost structure. So we know that cost structure is like the expenses, right? So for the first one, it would be the supply of materials for production. It means that how do we get the materials for us to produce the product? And next is it will be the cost of production and also manufacturing. It means that on how to produce the product, and also we need to manufacturing and so on. Next is about the cost of operation. Here it means that it's related to the transportation. For example, it's like when we want to do shipment to the customers to send the product. So here we suggest to use GNT Express, Poslaju, Ninja Van, which is available in this country. Next is cost of everything, which involve with water, electricity, Wi-Fi, and so on. Next is cost of packaging and designing. Here it means that it will be regarding with company logo, product design, and so on. So next is cost of marketing. So we have stated previously, which we will use internet marketing and also internet advertising. And then about the rental cost for warehouse, which is the place for us to keep the product. So we decided to locate it at Ulu Tiwang, Johor. And next is cost of human resources and manpower, which involve with the staff that need to handle about this production. Next is miscellaneous cost, which is involved with the rest of the cost that we can consider about. Next. So here is the estimation for the cost. So as we can see here, we estimate that the total of the cost, it would be 34,700 ringgit Malaysia. And for the expected profit, so here we have decided to sell it with two forms, which is plastic container and also in blister pack. So here is the price for plastic container, which contains 50 capsules. The price it would be around 23, and we estimate to sell it at starting with 2,000 units, and the total it would be 46,000. And for blister pack, we have for each pack we have 10 capsules, and we put 5 packs in a box, and the price it would be 25 ringgit Malaysia. And also we start it with 2,000 units bought to sell it, and with the total we will have 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. So as we from here we can estimate the total sales, which is 96,000 ringgit Malaysia. So from this we can get the total of the profit, which is 61,300 ringgit Malaysia. Next. So here is the revenue streams, which is on about the how to generate the sales, right? So basically here we can see that it involves with direct selling and also indirect selling. So for direct selling here, it means that we will sell the product directly to the customers, and also we use online platform, online sales, which involve with e-commerce like Shopee, Lazada, and so on. So also we use social media. Other than that, we use retailers, which is what do we call that? Indirect selling. So here involved with pharmacies, Watsons, Guardian. So with this, we can get the payment can be generated by cash and also online transaction. Next is we also use the volume selling. For example, it's like we can provide some offers or promotion, so that it can attract more customers to buy our product. For example, it's like we can use different prices for bundle, or we also can do some promotions like buy 5 free 1 promotion, and so on. Next, I will pass to Izzati.
Okay, thank you, Stephen. So for
The core manufacturing process, first of all, we go for making process, which is we mix all the
Dancer.
ingredients.
Okay, carry on, but go fast.
Okay, next for reaction
Summarize
process.
it.
Sorry, we go for testing liquid to check either the product has an unexpected side effect or not. Then we go for transferring, which is directly connected to the filling machine. Then we go to filling machine to inject the moisture liquid to the container automatically, and then we go for labeling, which is apply the label on the container automatically, and then we go for quality check. Next, we taking the product. Okay, then I will pass presentation to FAIZAH.
What is the next one? Okay, can you just take the question?